Happy Vijaya Dashami. May Ma Durga's blessing guide you to follow the right path and help you succeed in your life. Shubha Vijaya Dashami again. Today I will discuss new type of groups. Group of non-zero complex number under multiplication, which is denoted as C star omitted with 0. All the element of C star is look like A plus IB, we all of us know, and if you check on self, you will say C star is always abelian group, and 1 is the identity element for each elements A plus IB belongs to C star, and the inverse element is A minus IB over A square plus B square, which is also belongs to C star. Okay? Well, consider G equal to S1. We all of us know S1 be the unit circle with radius 1. Okay? The picture is look like this is S1, unit circle with radius 1, here R equal to 1, and we all of us know all points of the circle is look like e to the power I theta, where I square equal to minus 1. Okay? And there exist infinitely many points on this circle. My question is S1 is cyclic or non-cyclic? Just think. We all of us know nth root of unity which contains 1 omega, omega square up to omega to the power n minus 1, and where omega to the power n always would be 1. Consider this subgroup as S. This is the finite order subgroup of C star under multiplication. Okay? And this is also finite order subgroup of S1. At first we have to prove S1 is cyclic or non-cyclic. Every finite order subgroup of S1 always will be cyclic. This subgroup is always generated by omega. We all of us know. Similarly, if we consider another subgroup, fourth root of unity, then the point is look like 1 minus 1 I minus I. The set contain 1 minus 1 I minus 1, which is subgroup of S1 and which is generated by I. So similarly, if you consider 6th root of unity, 7th root of unity, all of subgroup of finite order always would be cyclic. So every finite order subgroup of S1 always will be cyclic. Consider new type of subgroup of S1, 2n subgroup. This is denoted as Z belongs to C star such that Z to the power 2n equal to 1, and this is actually 2nth root of unity. Okay, well, and order of this subgroup is obviously 2 to the power n. Now I will see infinite subgroup of S1. Consider one infinite subgroup of S1 as R, and this is look like set of all Z belongs to C star such that Z to the power n equal to 1, where n varies 0, 1, 2, so on. This is subgroup of S1. Now let's see, is R is a subgroup? Okay. We all of us know the trick of subgroup is if A and B belongs to R, then for subgroup we have to prove AB inverse also belongs to R. Okay, now let's try to prove. So A belongs to R, then there exists N1 which is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on, such that A to the power 2n1 equal to 1. Also, there exists B belongs to R. So, for B belongs to R, there exists n2 which is equal to set containing the elements 0, 1, 2, so on, such that B to the power 2n2 equal to 1. Okay. As for example, consider n1 equal to 2 and n2 equal to 3. Then this would be fourth root of unity and this would be eighth root of unity. Okay, well, that means this is the fourth root of unity, and if we consider this point also, then this would be eighth root of unity. And notice, since n2 greater than n1, that means all the point of n1, that means fourth root of unity, will be included in the eighth root of unity. Okay, I have to show there exists n belongs to 0, 1, 2 up to so on, such that AB inverse to the power 2 to the power n equal to 1. Since A is fourth root of unity and B is eighth root of unity, that means their inverse also would be eighth root of unity. Then AB inverse will be included in eighth root of unity. Okay. Now we have to find the value n. What would be n? N would be maximum of n1 comma n2, and this is actually the eighth root of unity. So this point also belongs to R. Okay, that means R is always a subgroup. Okay, means I have got sister is a commutative group where R be a subgroup of sister, and if we consider Ri, then this is actually set of all Z belongs to sister such that Z to the power I equal to 1, where I equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. Then R naught would be Z belongs to sister such that z to the power 1 equal to 1, which from this line it implies which contain only singleton set 1 and R1 equal to z belongs to sister such that z square equal to 1, and this is actually the set containing the element 1 and minus 1, and R2 would be z belongs to sister such that z to the power 2 to the power 2 equal to 1, and this is equal to just 1 minus 1 I minus I, and this would be continuing. Are you getting? Well, notice in R1 minus 1 is a generator, and in R2 I is a generator, and notice each Ri is a subgroup of R. Here R not contain R1, R1 contain R2, R2 contain R3, this is so on, and each are subgroup of R, and R is also subgroup of sister. R equal to R naught union R1 union R2 union so on, which is equal to, that means I equal to 0 to infinity Ri. Okay? Are you getting this structure? Where each Ri is a subgroup of R and each Ri is a cyclic subgroup. Okay? Now I will see, is R is a cyclic subgroup of sister? Now we find a subgroup R equal to R2 to the power 0 union R2 to the power 1 union R2 to the power square up to union R to the power k union so on. Okay? Now I will prove, is it cyclic subgroup? Consider it is cyclic. Then we all of us know it will be generated by singleton element which belongs to anywhere of this group. Okay? Consider small g be generator, be generator of the group R. Then there exists some n belongs to natural number such that g belongs to R to the power 2n. Then what will happen? Which order of the subgroup bigger than R to the power 2n? G cannot generate the subgroup R to the power 2n plus 1. Okay? As for example, see this subgroup here, 4th root of unity, and here 8th root of unity. Here this subgroup is generated by I, but I cannot generate the 8th root of unity. Are you getting this reason? Therefore, R is not a cyclic group, but every proper subgroup of R is cyclic. Okay? Sister is an abelian non-cyclic group of infinite order, because if sister is a cyclic group, then we all of us know every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. But I have got a subgroup S1 which is non-cyclic subgroup. Okay. Now consider another group. This is look like G equal to Z belongs to C star such that Z to the power n equal to 1, where n varies 0, 1, 2, so on. It is obviously always subgroup of C star. Just check it on self. Now my question is, this group is cyclic? Just think. This is very interesting. Notice this subgroup R, which Z belongs to C star such that Z to the power 2 to the power n equal to 1, where n varies 0, 1, 2, so on. And I have seen few minutes ago these are is not cyclic group. So G is not a cyclic group in system. Now I will see one question of CSR Net which had come in June 2014, and this question, if you know the 2nth root of property of complex number, you can easily tell which option is true. The question is, consider the multiplicative group of all complex 2nth root of unity, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. Then notice the option, every proper subgroup of capital G is finite. Is it true? Yeah. I have seen few minutes ago, if G is the 2nth root of unity of all complex number, then every proper subgroup of G is always finite. Order of G is infinite. Option 2 indicate G has finite set of generator. This is wrong option, because I have seen few minutes ago this is. Also option 3 indicate G is cyclic. This is also wrong option. And option 4 indicate every proper subgroup of G is cyclic. This is always true option. Getting? If you know the structure of the group, then it will be so easy to tell any option. I will stop here. Till now, if you have any question, please do comments in my comments box.